Hey there! We're back with another informational and helpful video. In this short video we have shared 3 of the best plagiarism checker sites, which are free to use. Are you a content writer or a student given assignment which should be plagiarism free? You're at the right place, where you can learn about 3 best websites to check and rephrase the plagiarized content in your project. Let's get straight into it. SmallSEOtools.com holds the first place among all the free plagiarism checker sites. Now let's see how it works. The link to the website will be dropped in the description below. You can just type or paste your text here to check for the plagiarized content. There is a limit of up to 1,000 words per search. Now just click the button labeled as Check Plagiarism. You can also download or share the report of the checked content. Now let's move on to the second plagiarism checker. This second plagiarism checker also looks like the first one, but there is a limit of up to 2,000 words per search. Here this website have the same buttons labeled as checked plagiarism just like the first one, and it is easy to use as shown before. Let's move on to the third plagiarism checker. There's a limit of 1,000 words per search on this plagiarism checker. However, you can upgrade to the Pro version for unlimited words per search. It takes a few minutes for the website to check the plagiarism. You can also download or share the report of the checked content. So these were the 3 top plagiarism checkers which you can use to check plagiarism. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends too.